This is just a little short video on how to configure your user interface, the desktop user interface. There's 3 options here. These other 2 are covered in other videos. This is just the desktop interface. When you come here, you just simply need to log in. You can either click here to log in after you put your password in, or double click on the desktop icon. Once you're on the desktop, you'll notice it looks a lot like the Windows desktop. Now yours may look different than mine once you first log in, and that's because you haven't chosen a background. To choose a different background, you can right click on top of the screen anywhere, click on Properties, and then you can select a background that suits you, that's something that's pleasant for you to look at. I sort of like this one. Okay, now that's your desktop background. That's just something that you'll see every time you log in. Down here is the pop-up menu, just like the Start button on Windows. And this will lead you to the ability to open up your applications, such as Content Editor and Media Library. But I want to show you something here too. You can create a shortcut on your desktop to either any of these items in your menu by just grabbing them, just clicking on them in this pop-up menu and dragging them out onto the desktop and let go, and it can create a shortcut for you to get straight to the content editor. So now I have the ability to click here, which is 2 clicks, and I can make the content editor, or when I log in I can double click here and go straight to the content editor. Another thing that's really nice that you can do is out here on the desktop, right click, and you can say create a shortcut. Now what's nice about this is if you are a content editor and you are simply taking care of one specific page, let me take Workforce Solutions here. I'll just say, for instance, you were taking care of Workforce Solutions, and instead of having to open the content editor and go to browse to the Workforce Solutions page, you can create a shortcut. I'm going to go down here, select Workforce Solutions, and click Open. I'm going to name it. And I'm going to say OK. And now I have a straight shortcut to the Workforce Solutions page, so I don't have to open up Content Editor and browse straight to it. So that's a nice little feature. Let's see. Anytime that you're open up any of these, and let me go ahead and open up this Workforce Solutions ones, and this should look familiar to you. It's taking you straight to your page. This isn't necessary. You notice your button is still down here. Allows you your pop-up menu. But you also have the ability to simply go up here and exit out of this screen, go back to your desktop. And the only other thing is left is just logging off. And it's not necessary. If you close the browser window, it will automatically log you off. But if you want to log off, you can log off here. Let's say, for instance, you want to use one of the other interfaces. So, okay, that's all.